What is going on? It's your boy. I'm back again with another When a Chinese Person Sneezes. This from Long Beach, Griffith. Oh my goodness. Come butta, che succede? Mi chiamo RealG. Siete benvenuti nel mio canale. Io vi porto un nuovo video. Si chiama When a Chinese Person Sneezes. Ok. Leggeremo questo video, vediamo di che si tratta. Questo ragazzo qui mi fa morire da ridere. Senza perdere tempo, buttiamoci dentro.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man.
Quando un cinese notisce.
You got me fucked up. Dude, relax. It's just allergies. Guys, Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
What?
The coronavirus?
What? Coronavirus?
I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese,
Koreanese, Japanese, is all the same
Chinese,
shit.
Koreanese,
They all
Japanese.
look alike, for Christ's sake.
That is incredibly racist.
Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get it.
Where else are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida.
Look,
Sneeze again.
No way.
Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it. Play with me. I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Ok. Oh, questo è Long Beach, Griffith. Questo ragazzo è molto simpatico. A morire da ridere. Ok, guys. Io vi saluto. E ci vediamo alla prossima. Peace out. Oh boy.